Hi, good day to everyone. My name is Jim, founder of JT Techtronics Berhad. We are the LED display design manufacturer house. In front of us, this is a Bebur gas detectors. Where I can see, this is the header and this is the sensors. So let's start our presentation today. So today I'm going to use this called Detector. So by spraying on the header, you should have some response. Let's try. So sometimes it might take, so you can see, so the value will keep on increasing. To clear the detector, it might take some time. So let me take it out and blow. Yes, it's slowly decreasing. So the detection is working out. So you can see that decrease 2.3. Let's try. It slowly decrease. This is how it looks like. If you like my channel, help us to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching and have a good day.